Fidgett here for notapennydown.com. Today I want to talk about credit authorization. Now you may ask, what's credit authorization? Well, it's basically the right to pull your credit. I want to tell you a quick story about a client that just contacted me about refinancing their mortgage. Now they previously got the mortgage about 5 years ago with another broker. Now I had the client fill out an application online, and once we had their information, we started to work on the file. We pulled their credit bureau, and as soon as we pulled their credit bureau, we noticed that their file or their credit bureau had just been pulled 5 days ago by another mortgage company. So we called up the client and I said, listen, I'd love to work with you, but I see that your credit has been pulled by another mortgage company. So obviously you're working with another mortgage company. Is it that you're not happy? And he says to me, he says, Mark, I'm not working with another mortgage company. That's the mortgage company that did my mortgage 5 years ago. Well, what had happened was the mortgage broker who initially did the mortgage 5 years ago took it upon himself to pull the client's credit without authorization. So I want to tell you today that nobody can pull your credit bureau without you giving them authorization. As I said in my previous video, I really encourage you to pull your credit bureau because it doesn't only show you what's on there, but it shows you all the inquiries. That's a list of anybody who's pulled your credit bureau. And if you see on there, like I saw with this client, that somebody had pulled their credit bureau without authorization, well, you can rectify that because it's a pretty serious issue. It has a lot to do with the Privacy Act, and you can't pull somebody's credit bureau without their authorization. Listen, any questions whatsoever, 604-273-2002, on the web, www.notapennydown.com. As usual, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.